Is my home level? You begin to notice cracks on the interior or the exterior of your home. A friend tells you that it's because your home isn't level. You wonder, why is my home not level? Stay tuned to hear about leveling your home. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales at Acculevel. As a homeowner, there are many things to think about. Is my home level? Could be one of them. In this video, I will tell you what it means for your house to be level, what causes a home to be unlevel, and how to level your home. Let's get started. When we're talking about a home being level, there's many different components that we want to look at and that you're going to break down to kind of find where the problem's at. So a home could be unlevel just because of the subfloors, which are sagging floors or sagging made beams or even rotted sill plate. That can cause the main floor of your home, even the level above your home, those floors to be unlevel. Now the other thing that we want to watch is your foundation sinking. So now you're going to see that your house or your floors slope towards the wall, an exterior wall. And so that could be something. And if you're on a slab home, the slab inside your home is a completely separate component than the foundation itself. And so there's many different pieces. But when we're asking what does it mean to be level, what we're saying is, are the floors level? Do you feel sloping towards a direction, towards an exterior wall, to the center of your home? Or do you even see cracks in drywall, which could be a sign that things aren't level? Those doors sticking in a closet or a bedroom. These can all be signs that says, hey, something's not level here, something's not square, and that's a reason to really dive in and ask that question of what it looks like for my home to be level and how can I fix that. So when we're looking at the causes of your home to start to settle or your subfloor to start to sag, which creates that unlevelness, we have to break down, is it the subfloor first? So is it the sagging floors? Is it bad floor joists? Is a bad main beam? Most of this is caused by moisture in your crawl space or your basement. And so that causes that wood to weaken and therefore sink and become unlevel. And then the other one is maybe it's the foundation of your home that's causing it to be unlevel. Now, when you start getting into the foundation side of things, it can be bad grade causing water to stand around your home. It can be downspouts not extended and just dumping right beside your footing. Or it could just be the bad or poor soil that your home's built on that causes that to sink and your home to be unlevel. So again, we first have to determine whether it's the subfloor or it's the foundation of your home. If it's the subfloor, that's usually accomplished by sistering floor joists or adding extra supplemental steel beams with adjustable jacks, or maybe just adding jacks to your main beam if that's sagging. Then when we're talking about your foundation, we're looking at helical piers. And so we're coming in and we're installing those helical piers to the actual footing and either stabilizing it to hold it forever or attempting to lift. And the exact same thing with your subfloor. With those adjustable jacks, we're trying to push that subfloor back over time to get that back to level the way that you expect your home to be. If you think that your house is unlevel, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about leveling your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a second to hit that like and subscribe button, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.